Want to find a phone number on Facebook, but not sure where to look? Here's how to check, step by step, without breaking anyone's privacy. First, open the Facebook app and search for the person or business whose number you're trying to find, then tap their profile. On their profile, look for the About or Contact and Basic Info section. Tap it to open their contact details. Scroll down this page. If they've chosen to share a phone number with you, it will appear under Contact Info or Phone. If you don't see a phone number, it means they haven't added one, or they've limited who can see it in their privacy settings. Always remember, you can only view phone numbers that the profile owner has decided to share with you or with the public. Now let's do the same thing on the Facebook website from your computer. Go to facebook.com, log in if needed, and use the search bar at the top to find the person or page. Click on their profile, then look for the About tab, or for Contact and Basic Info in the left sidebar. Open that section and scroll. If they've allowed it, their phone number will appear under Contact Info or Phone. If no number is listed, respect that choice. Facebook lets people hide or limit who can see their contact details. Use this guide to quickly check for a number, and always contact people in ways they're clearly comfortable sharing.